am just not ready to leave my warm 75-degree little home to that frigid air outside. When I got up, it was 34 degrees, and now it's 54. Now, I am not designed for cold air, and I just am not designed for it. But I'm going to get out there and get my exercise regardless. I got a nice warm flannel top on. I got some warm pants on. I got my great waterproof boots. And Miss Guy's out there dying for me to go walk with her. So I'll get at least a mile in, maybe 2. And I'll shed this top by the time I'm finished. And I'll see what I find out there today. This is 4 days between me and this new shoulder. And let me tell you, I can't wait. I really can't wait. And tomorrow, I'm going to be going to the hospital to do some testing, pre-admission stuff. And I'll tell you more about that a little later. So let's go outside and get walking. It's really pretty out here today. And I think I will be shedding some of this off once this sunlight warms me up, because it's intense. You can see behind me, not a cloud in the sky, there's no wind, and I've got my earbuds on, so I'm going to put on some 128 beat per minute music, and I'm going to try to get in a couple miles, get my heart rate up, and that way I'm good to go for today. I keep this shoulder moving, and it needs to be moved, because without having any of these supplements and Advil and stuff, it's getting tough. With the 4 days to go, yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I think I've said that twice already. And Sky is here somewhere, but she took off. And I'm gonna put my music on, and we're gonna head off way that way. I'm gonna check that pond again, see if it's still totally full or if it's drained down any. And that's pretty much what I'll be doing today. Who knows what other content I'll find. Something always comes up out here. And that's about it for now. Let's get going. We're taking a different route today. A little softer walk. So this looks a little different than what it did before, huh? It's like totally full. And it's still running over. There she goes. Maybe she doesn't want to go all the way in today. I think she's waiting for that coyote to start barking at us. never know what you find that gets washed down streams. And this got washed down 2 years ago. I wonder how much water. This is not good stuff to be walking on right now. Okay, that is an example of what quicksand looks like right there. This whole thing will sink in, and as you step in it, it will just start sliding in the mud, and then it just keeps going down, and you keep going down, and it's just like getting stuck in the mud. It's always like, but since it's sand, I guess they call it quicksand. We'll see what's in that refrigerator without getting soaked. There's nothing in it. I am just about done with my videos today. I went into a field with a bunch of blue dicks, and I got a picture of those guys. They're really pretty, actually. And the rest of this video is going to be about other flowers, of all kinds of colors. Look at all this miner's lettuce. This is really cool stuff. Okay. It's called miner's lettuce. It's actually edible. It's like lettuce. Really good. I think I'm going to wrap up my video for today. I've learned a couple things. It's really hard to put my boots on one-handed. I think I can do it okay with my shoehorn, but I think it's going to be a little difficult for a couple of weeks. And putting my hair up is tough one-handed. I tried putting my head down and putting my head over to my hand and all kinds of things, so maybe I'll figure out a way to do that. There's a couple other articles that putting on are a little tough one-handed. So I think that will be the end of my video today. So thanks for watching.